All right, if people are out and about
Yeah.
at the Moda tomorrow, getting out there before the game, should be a nice weekend.
It definitely is. It will be on the dry side, but we'll
Yeah.
slowly increase the cloud coverage. But that's not the case tonight.
No.
I want to give you a brand new live look out over our state capitol. This is the KOIN 6 brand new camera, the Gaddy Law Firm. Yeah, you can see the state capitol there off in the distance in downtown Salem as our temperatures are hovering in towards the upper 60s for the central Willamette Valley. And those 60s are found up and down the I-5 corridor, upper 60s for us here in the Rose City, and upper 50s enjoyed along the coastlines. Those clouds are beginning to increase. A closer look at the Portland, Vancouver area. That's where our temperatures are flirting anywhere with the mid to upper 60s to low 70s in places like Bethany or out towards Oregon City as well. Newburgh also hovering right around 71. As our cloud-free skies are relatively open right now, but we are prepared for a few more of those clouds out over the coast range to track their way further to the east, just to give us a mix of the clear, but also a few clouds for us tonight as we prepare for this ridge of high pressure to continue to build and intensify as we work our way through the weekend. So that means we'll see our heads poke close to the 80-degree temperature line yet again for Saturday before we cool things off as we sit on the jet stream of a trough of cooler air before this next low could potentially bring back a stray raindrop or two after another round of high heat. So the teeter-totter effect taking us well through the next week or so as we'll start the day off tomorrow with mostly sunny skies, and then the clouds, they slowly start to increase. That's going to help to cool things off by the later evening time frame as we wake up on Sunday, Mother's Day, prepared to enjoy mostly cloudy skies. That's just going to make it feel comfortable so we can actually be out and about doors enjoying mom with some comfortable conditions. But for the most part, we are going to be staying on the dry side. No precipitation expected. But looking over the next 10 days or so, it's Wednesday, Thursday, we could potentially see an isolated scattered rain shower helping to fill up the bucket now all the way through Thursday night to a couple of 1/100ths of an inch to maybe a 1/4 of an inch. This would be beneficial to help suppress the fire threat and hopefully help to shrink our rain deficit and maybe put a dent at some of the drought situation we are holding on to, especially over the Cascades with severe drought due to lack of moisture we have seen this winter season. With another checkup on that Pine Mountain fire, a prescribed burn that jumped containment lines yesterday afternoon, now scorching over or close to 3,000 feet with 15% containment out towards Deschutes County. As our fire weather danger turning up the dials yet again tonight as we see improvements moving our way into Saturday. That will carry us into Sunday as well, as tonight we fall back to about 48 degrees this weekend, expecting a bit of a cooling trend, flirting with 80 degrees tomorrow, Sunday 74. And for all the moms out there, you can expect a sun cloud mix over our heads, but I would lean more so on the side of cloudy conditions as temperatures get back up into the mid-70s. More sunshine, higher heat. Monday, Tuesday, we're talking mid-80s for the middle of the week as we prepare for that wet weather. Wednesday and Thursday, that will be a nice change of pace. Yes, It has been welcome to see the warmer, sunnier skies, but we need the moisture before we move into fire season.
Yeah, good point. All right, thanks, Josh.